Hello students, in this video is going to see Allied Mathematics 2 paper. That is a 2 mark problem in asked in University question paper April 2017, the University of Madras question paper, UG syllabus. Okay, so 2 mark problem very easily we can score in 2 mark question. So because all the problems in 2-3 steps. Okay, so you see first problem, write Bernoulli's formula. In first unit is very important formula. So just to go through this formula, that is nothing but Bernoulli's formula is integral u dv equal to is a nth that is a integration by parts formula is, and that is a 2 step only. It is a nth time formula. Integral u dv equal to nothing but uv minus u dash v1 u double dash v2 minus u triple dash v3 is goes like. So easily we can work out this formula. You take uv and the u dash u double, that's nothing but differentiation, first derivative, second derivative as likewise, and in the v1 v2 is nothing but integration. Okay, you work up this here. Sometimes problem will ask based on this formula. So now just to go through formula, it's a very important formula. So here directly they ask the formula name, Bernoulli's formula. This is a formula. Sometimes problem also asked based on this formula. Okay, you go through this. Now next problem. Evaluate integral 0 to 90 sine power 8x dx. So it's a very important one. It's a reduction formula concept. So you know reduction formula integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power n x dx equal to. So here there are two cases. One is odd or even. Here it is even problem. The formula is you write n minus 1 by n dot. Now up and down. So numerator denominator you just subtract 2. Okay. Just you mark up this alone. N minus 1 by n. Now up and down. Other numerator and denominator you subtract 2. That means you subtract 2 means here n minus 3. Here n minus 2. So goes like. With the n minus 5 again you subtract 2. With the n minus 4. So lastly it is even means you write 1 by 2 and pi by 2. Okay. So even now the last time you write pi by 2. This is a formula. Using this formula you can do this. So what's the question in the place n equal to 8. So take n equal to 8. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power 8x dx equal to. So n equal to 8. You substitute here upon 8 minus 1, that is 7 by 8. This step alone you write first. So n equal to 8. You substitute here 8 minus 1 7, denominator 8. Now don't see the formula, you can do directly here. Up and down, that is numerator and denominator you subtract 2. Here you subtract 2 means we get 5. Here you subtract 2 means 6. Likewise here also you subtract 2 means 3. Here 4. And last here subtract 2 means 1. Here 2. It is even means the last time is 1 by 2. So after that you write 5 by 2. So even now you write pi by 2. Don't forget this. Now just if you cancel means you cancel, otherwise you just multiply numerator and denominator. So here we can cut the 1 time, this is 2 time, hereafter we can cut. So 7 into 5 is nothing but 35 pi, 35 this pi divided by you multiply this. So numerator you get 35 pi, and denominator also you just multiply 8 2s are 16, here also 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 nothing but 256. So 35 pi by 256. So surely this 2 more problem in every semester exam, this type of problem is asked. Okay, just to go through a formula and you write. Okay, now third question. So solve d square plus a square into y equals 0. So this is a problem based on a differential equation. So second order differential equation, and right hand side is 0. And right hand side 0 means our y equal to nothing but CF only. Okay, so no need to find PI. Okay, first you write axial equation. The axial equation is nothing but in the place d you write m. So m square plus a square equal you write 0. Okay, in the place d you write m square plus a square equal 0. Now m square equal to you take this a square that side minus a square. Now take square root, that is m equal to you write plus or minus first. Square root of a is nothing but a, and this minus you write I, because root minus 1 is nothing but I. Okay, again I repeat. So here m square equal to minus a square. Now you take square root on both sides. Here it's nothing but m is equal to whenever you take square root it is a term of m square, you write plus or minus first. Okay, After that, a square root means nothing but a square root of a square is a. If it is minus means you write I, because root you taking square root, no. So root minus 1 is nothing but I. Okay. Now, so here it is a form of complex form. It is an imaginary number. Okay. Here alpha is 0. So alpha value is 0. Here nothing, no, alpha 0, and I coefficient nothing but a, that is our beta value. So I coefficient is nothing but a, that is our beta value, and the front term here is nothing means that is alpha equal to 0. So you know CF, complementary function, that formula is nothing but e power alpha x a cos beta x plus b sin beta x. Okay. So here alpha equal 0, no. So alpha equal 0 means e power 0. Anything power 0 you know 1. So e power 0 is 1. So no need to write this. E power 0x, that is 1. So no need to write. Just write a cos beta. What's beta value? A. So ax small a and b sin ax. So last we write the general solution is y equal to CF. That is, you write this answer here. Okay, now fourth question. Eliminate the function f from z equal to f of x square plus y square. Okay. So it is in this question in unit number 2, that is PDE, partial differential equation problem. Okay. And partial differential equation they will ask one problem, that is the elimination constant. They eliminate the function and eliminate the arbitrary constant. It is a function. Okay. So nothing but just what you do, you call equation number 1 the given problem. Now differentiate this, that is dou with respect to x, partially differentiate. So dou z by dou x is nothing but differentiation with respect to x partially. Dou z dou x equal to f differentiation of f is nothing but f dash of, you write this whole thing with respect to x, that means nothing but x square is nothing but 2x. Okay, this is a partial differentiation. So what do you do? Partially differentiate with respect to x. So here z is a function of xy. So you write dou z by dou x equal to the function f is nothing but f dash of this whole thing dot with respect to x. So x square is nothing but 2x. So x square is nothing but 2x. And y square is 0 because with respect to x, no, here no x, that is 0. So this thing you take small p. That is dou z by dou x nothing but small p. Now with respect to y, that is dou z by dou y equal to, again you write the function f. So that is f dash of x square plus y square with respect to y, that means x is 0, y square is 2y. Okay. So this thing, that is dou z by dou y, we use the letter small q. Okay. Now what you do, they call the equation number 2 and this one is 3. Now we have to eliminate the function f. So now from and to. So what you do, just you divide 2 divided by 3. Equation 2 and 3 just you divide. So that is nothing but your left hand side you get p by q. So p by q is equal to, when you divide this, the f dash and f dash cancel, and 2 also cancel. So remaining x is x by y. Okay. So your left hand side p by q is equal to, when you divide 2 divided by 3, this f dash and f dash cancel, 2 also cancel. So balance is x by y. Now what you do, cross multiply this, that is py. So p into y py and q into x qx. Okay. So this is your answer. So it's a partial differential equation problems. Now fifth one is the Laplace concept. It's a very easy one. Directly they ask in the formula question, that is Laplace of sin a t is nothing but formula a by s square plus a square. Write this alone. Okay. Now sixth also based on Laplace. It is inverse Laplace transform, that is L inverse of. Okay. So here we have formula L inverse of 1 by s minus a. Formula is nothing but e power a minus a, no, opposite is plus a t. That is nothing but Laplace transform inverse is, that is reverse process is nothing but, that is our Laplace inverse transform. Okay. Use this formula. The question is L inverse of 1 by s minus 3. So in the place 3 a, what is the value 3? Substitute here. Up e power 3t. So this is the answer. Okay. And the next one. Seventh question, find del pi. So they given pi value, scalar point function. So del pi is nothing but that is definition of gradient. So formula for del phi. Before go to the formula, you just to differentiate the given function with respect to x, y and z, partially differentiation. Okay. So what do you do? The pi with respect to x, partial differentiation. With respect to x is differentiation 1, balance y is z minus x square differentiation 2x. Okay. Now with respect to y, So with respect to y, means 1, balance x is z, and here no y, that is 0. So x is z. Okay. So with respect to z, the given function z differentiation 1, balance x y, here 0. Okay. Here because you know z. So this is the given result. Now you know formula for del phi is nothing but del phi equal to dou by dou x I vector plus dou by dou y j vector plus dou by dou z k vector. So surely the problem based on gradient concept you can expect. Okay, you will expect. So what do you do? Go through the formula. Now substitute the value. Okay, what is the dou by dou x? Dou by dou x is nothing but y is z minus 2x. So in the place you substitute dou by dou x value into I vector plus now dou by dou y is nothing but x is z j vector. Similarly dou by dou z xy, so xy k vector. So sometime problem at point they will ask. Okay, if it is at point means you substitute xy z value. Okay, here only they ask del by alone, so just leave it. Now go to the next problem, that is define irrotational vector. So you know the definition by irrotational and sinusoidal. So here irrotation nothing but if del cross f vector, cross product, del cross f vector equal 0, that is curl or curl f vector equal to 0 means that f vector the value is 0 means then f vector is said to be irrotational vector. Okay, so this is a concept of irrotational vector. And the ninth question, state Stokes theorem. So Stokes theorem also they asked in the last unit vector integration. We have three theorem concept. One is Stokes theorem. So just to write formula alone. So Stokes theorem formula is nothing but integral over C f vector dot dr vector equal to double integral over S del cross f vector dot n cap ds. So this is a formula for Stokes theorem. Okay, and the last 10th one is Green's theorem, state Green's theorem. So mostly one statement only asked in the unit number 5. So in this question paper, two statements they asked. One is Stokes theorem, the other is Green's theorem. So statement of Green's theorem is nothing but integral over C u dx plus b dy equal to double integral over R region dou v by dou x minus dou u by dou y dx dy. So this is the 10th question. So I think it will be very useful to you. This is asked in April 2017, 2 more question. And if you have any doubt means you ask in comment. So thank you, student.